leak when you sneeze. That's not something you should ignore. Just lift your pelvic floor before the pressure hits. Small habit, big control.